The drone with 1080p camera for beginners and kids is a fantastic choice for young enthusiasts and novice pilots looking to explore the world of aerial photography. This foldable remote control quadcopter is designed with ease of use in mind, making it an excellent entry-level option for children and beginners. The 1080p camera allows users to capture clear and vivid photos and videos, making it one of the best drones with cameras in its category. The drone's compact, foldable design ensures portability, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures. This drone is packed with user-friendly features that enhance the flying experience. The voice control function allows users to operate the drone hands-free, adding a fun and interactive element to flying. With the gesture's selfie mode, simply make a hand gesture to take a selfie, making it easier for kids to capture moments effortlessly. The altitude hold feature helps maintain a steady height, ensuring stable footage even for beginners. The one-key start and 3D flips add to the fun, allowing users to perform exciting aerial maneuvers with just a button press. Customer satisfaction is a priority with this drone, especially with its inclusion of 2 batteries, providing extended flight time for longer sessions of fun. The durable build and easy-to-use controls make it a reliable and safe option for kids, giving parents peace of mind. For anyone looking for the best drone with camera, for young pilots or those new to drones, this model offers a perfect blend of performance, safety, and entertainment. Whether for capturing playful moments or learning the basics of drone flying, this drone is a top choice. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2 is a compact yet powerful drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. This mini drone boasts 4K HDR video capability, allowing users to capture stunning, crystal-clear footage with vibrant colors and sharp details. With the inclusion of 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, it offers an impressive flight time of up to 135 minutes, ensuring extended flying sessions without frequent interruptions. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is equipped with a smart return-to-home feature, providing an added layer of security by automatically returning the drone to its takeoff point when the battery is low or the signal is lost. For those searching for the best drone with camera, the DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out due to its user-friendly features and advanced technology. The drone's compact size makes it portable and easy to carry, perfect for travelers and outdoor adventurers. The DJI RC2 controller enhances the flying experience with its ergonomic design and precise control, making it ideal for beginners who want to master drone piloting with ease. Customer satisfaction is further guaranteed by DJI's commitment to quality and innovation, ensuring that the Mini 4 Pro delivers reliable performance in various conditions. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or filming dynamic action scenes, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo is a cutting-edge FPV, first-person view drone designed for enthusiasts seeking an immersive flying experience. Equipped with a 4K camera, this drone captures stunning, high-resolution footage that brings your aerial adventures to life. The drone's ability to deliver crystal-clear video quality makes it a top contender for anyone looking for the best drone with camera in the FPV category. The built-in propeller guard ensures safety during flights, especially for those new to FPV flying, while also providing peace of mind when maneuvering in tight spaces. One of the standout features of the DJI Avata 2 is its easy flip and roll capabilities, which allow users to perform impressive aerial tricks with just a few commands. This makes the flying experience not only thrilling, but also accessible to beginners who want to explore advanced maneuvers without the steep learning curve. The drone is also FAA Remote ID compliant, meaning it adheres to current regulations, ensuring you can fly legally and safely in various locations. The inclusion of the Fly More combo, which comes with an additional battery, extends your flight time, allowing for longer and more enjoyable sessions. The DJI Avata 2 is designed with the user in mind, offering a perfect balance of performance, safety, and ease of use. Its POV, point of view content camera, enhances the immersive experience, making you feel as if you're in the cockpit, soaring through the skies. For customers seeking the best drone with camera that combines high-quality video capture with an engaging, immersive flight experience, the DJI Avatar 2 Fly More combo stands out as an exceptional choice. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of drone flying, this model delivers on all fronts, ensuring both satisfaction and excitement with every flight. The Holy Stone GPS drone with 4K UHD camera, HS360S, is an excellent choice for adults and beginners looking for a high-quality drone that combines advanced features with ease of use. Weighing just 249 g, this foldable FPV RC quadcopter is incredibly portable, making it easy to take on all your outdoor adventures. The 4K UHD camera captures breathtakingly clear and detailed photos and videos, ensuring that every moment is recorded in stunning quality. For those seeking the best drone with camera, the HS360S offers exceptional value, providing professional-grade footage in a user-friendly package. One of the standout features of this drone is its impressive 10,000 feet control range, giving you the freedom to explore vast areas without losing connection. The brushless motor ensures quiet and efficient operation, extending the drone's lifespan while providing smooth and stable flights. The GPS-assisted functionalities, including the Follow Me mode and Smart Return Home, enhance user experience by offering hands-free control and ensuring the drone returns safely to its takeoff point if the signal is lost or the battery is low. The 5G transmission capability allows for real-time video streaming with minimal latency, giving you a live feed from the drone's perspective and making it easier to capture perfect shots. The foldable design adds to its convenience, making it compact and easy to carry, whether you're hiking, traveling, or simply heading to the park for a quick flight. Customer satisfaction is a key focus for Holy Stone, and the HS360S delivers on all fronts. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn or an adult looking for a reliable drone that delivers high-quality imagery, this model provides a great balance of advanced features and ease of use. For anyone in search of the best drone with camera that is both powerful and accessible, the Holy Stone HS360S is a top contender that promises to elevate your aerial photography and videography experience. The Radclo Mini Drone with Camera is a versatile and user-friendly option, perfect for kids, adults, and beginners looking to explore the world of aerial photography. This mini drone is equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera that captures clear and vibrant images, making it a standout choice for those seeking the best drone with camera. In a compact and affordable package, the 90-degree adjustable lens allows you to customize your shooting angle, ensuring you capture the perfect shot every time. Its foldable design, along with the included carrying case, makes it easy to transport, allowing you to take it anywhere and capture moments on the go. The Radclo Mini Drone is designed with convenience and ease of use in mind. Features like one-key takeoff and landing simplify the flying experience, making it accessible even for beginners. The altitude hold function helps stabilize the drone in mid-air, ensuring steady footage and making it easier to control. The 360-degree flip feature adds an element of fun, allowing users to perform exciting aerial stunts with just a push of a button. With 2 batteries included, this drone offers extended flight time, ensuring longer sessions of fun and exploration. Whether you're flying indoors or outdoors, the Radclo Mini Drone provides a reliable and enjoyable experience for users of all ages. Its sturdy build and intuitive controls make it a great choice for those new to drones, while its high-quality camera ensures that you don't have to compromise on image quality. Customer satisfaction is a key focus with this drone, combining performance, portability, and ease of use in one package. For anyone in search of the best drone with camera that is both affordable and packed with features, the Radclo Mini Drone is an excellent option. Whether you're capturing memories or simply enjoying the thrill of flying,